Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus and here are 10 things to print with your 3D printer. Knuckle duster replicas are really easy to print. They look good but are pretty much useless. You can keep them as a decoration. The original one that I printed was way too small for my hands, so I scaled the model up and printed a bigger one. A layered Porsche 911 model. This is another one with no real utility. However, it looks great and you could find a model with your favorite car or make one yourself. This kind of wall art is quick to print and doesn't use much plastic. There are so many free models available online. Or if you got the skills, you can make your own 3D printed wall art. Some people are even selling these on eBay. Another useless thing that you can print is a fidget spinner. You can also print your own tools. For example, I printed a basic vernier caliper. This particular print didn't turn out great as there are some inaccuracies, but it is still functional. Desk organizers are very easy to print and they are actually useful. For example, I used these three to organize the stuff on my desk. You can also print a dragon if you want to. You can also print a case for your electronics. For example, I printed a case for the Flipper Zero Wi-Fi dev board, but I see a lot of people are printing cases for their Raspberry Pis or mini PCs. Another useful one is a box knife. These are not sharp enough to cut yourself, but still work great when opening boxes. A magnetic knife holder is another thing that I printed and actually use on a daily basis. This design is very basic, but you could experiment with many others. When printing this, I paused about halfway through and put magnets inside. Let me know your favorite things to print with a 3D printer. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.